mathematicians, let's do some examples from method of undetermined coefficients still before I move on to variation of parameters. So we are still talking about section 4.4. I hate the name of this method because I don't know, just too long, and it doesn't really, I don't know, doesn't really match for me with what else is going on. But let's go ahead and do example 5 from your book. And they have this, like, the answers, but they don't have the solutions for this. So I thought these might be some good ones maybe for me to go over. And so they have this situation where f of t equals 7 cosine 3t. This is problem A. And we're tasked with finding the y of p. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the auxiliary equation of this. Find roots of auxiliary equation. And so I'm going to rewrite this as what r squared plus 2r minus 3 equals 0. We're going to find that r equals negative 3 and 1. Okay. The second thing we're going to do is then deal with this 7 cosine 3t. And from the notes I have from the book, the e-text that you all have access to, this is of the form ct to the m, e to the alpha t, cosine beta t. Okay, and so there's going to be a certain form for the solution. So therefore, the solution is of the form and this is a little intimidating when you look at it. You need practice with this method, okay? So take some time. Hours, yes, hours. Hours of your life doing differential equations. I get it. I have spent many, many, many hours of my life doing differential equations. And each semester that I teach it, I get to do the same problems again. And that's how I get better. Okay? So let's go ahead and break this down. So let's match this up with this. All right? This matches with this because of the cosine. Right? That's why we have these two guys together. But we need to identify the C, we need to identify an M, we need to identify an alpha, we need to identify a beta, and as I look at the solution, I'm going to need to know what an S is also. So you should stop the video right now. You should pause it and make sure that you can identify all these variables, okay? And then start it back up. Let's see how it goes. So C, what is C in this situation? C is the constant. Whatever the number is out in front is C. So in this situation, we have 7. M. M is the exponent of the t. Beth, we don't have a t. Yeah, I know, right? So what does that mean the exponent is if you don't see the t? T is just invisible. It's undercover, right? M equals 0, t equals 1, or t to the m equals 1, right? Same thing with this alpha. Beth, we don't have an e. Yeah, I know, right? He's undercover. He's hiding. He's hiding because alpha equals 0. Beta. What is beta? We definitely have a beta. I know you guys all see it. That's right. It's a 3. Success. Okay. S, what's the deal with S? Well, S depends on these guys up here. That's why we did that before. So S equals 0 if alpha plus beta I is not a solution of auxiliary equation, and S equals 1 if it is a solution. Well, looking at our auxiliary equation, we don't have complex roots, right? These are our solutions. Not, what would it be in this instance? It would be 0 plus 3i, right? That's our alpha is 0, our beta is 3i. 3i is not a solution here, right? So our S does equal 0. We don't know it that way. All right, so let's go ahead and dismantle this guy and deal with him. All right, so our y of p equals t to the s, t to the 0, a to the m, t to the m, and then you count down all the way until you get a to the 0. Well, guess what? Our m is 0. So all we have is this a to the 0. E to the 0t cosine 3t plus t to the 0 b naught e to the 0t sine 3t, which is going to equal a cosine 3t plus b sine 3t for the particular solution. Now, what is the general solution? Again, go ahead and pause this video and see if you can write down the general solution for me. Then unpause the video. And see how we do. Okay, so let's do y general. The example in the book does not ask you for the general solution. I'm asking you for it right now, okay? So we need to combine the solution to the auxiliary equation to the particular solution. So the solution up here, YH for H homogeneous, is going to equal C1e to the negative 3t plus C2e to the t. So our general solution is the combination of both of these, right? Our general is our y h of t plus our y p of t. So we're going to get c1e to the negative 3t plus c2e to the t plus a cosine 3t plus b sine 3t is our y general. All right?